Hello friends, this is Sarah from Single Machinery. Welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce the roller conveyor short blasting machine for you. But this type short blasting machine is the special type. The special part is the abrasive recycle system. Because the height of the customer workshop is limited, so our engineer team designed the special bucket elevator for this machine to ensure the height of the machine is suitable for the customer's site. The double bucket elevator, this is the number 1 and this is the number 2. And the abrasive from the photo screw conveyor transported into the number 8 bucket elevator. The number 8 bucket elevator connects with the separator. Top is the separator and this is the stop bin. The abrasive that can be used will into the stop bin and connected with the number 2 bucket elevator. The abrasive transported to the top of the screw conveyor from the bucket elevator, then transported to the abrasive gate connected with the blast turbine. Another important part for this machine is the electric cabinet. This short blasting machine with 12-unit blast valve, and for each blast turbine that with the frequency converter that can, according to the shape and the thickness of the workpieces, to adjust the blast speed. You know, the short blasting machine is a non-standard machine according to the customer's workpiece's shape, size, and the workshop condition to design, such as like this machine. So please let us know if you have any requirements for the short blasting machine. We believe that Single Machinery will give you the professional and the best quality machine.